Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Paddy Stash coming at you. We're looking at the one-day everybody holds chart. What I'm doing here is just trying to put things into perspective. So, for 18 months, you can see the price has gone down, came up, hit this, came down. Couldn't break this resistance. There's actually another one that goes back even farther, but I didn't want to go back because I want to focus more on this. So, for 18 months, failed to break, and then from lower support, it bounced, broke the trend line. So this move from here to here was the first beginning. I'm thinking there's going to be 3 different breakouts that happen here. This is the first one. So what happened? Macro resistance broke for the first time since the inception. Price came up, came down, went up a little bit, came down. Ultimately, though, it's still building this wedge pattern and has not officially pivoted off this support. But today, we made a candle and we touched it. Now that brings me to SPX. Same deal. Couldn't break the resistance, finally broke it. So you could see they, like us, did the same thing. Price went up and then price dipped back to that support, then launched. But what I want you to pay attention to is this volume right here. Notice how it's like nothing here. And then here, it's big. But then after it pivots off the support, volume absolutely explodes, price explodes. I believe what we're seeing right here is the equivalent to that. We haven't even got to that yet because we haven't pivoted off. We haven't pivoted off the weekly support. Look, this is the weekly support, and we literally just touched it and then bounced. This is a continuation pattern that's bullish. This volume, the volume here during this window, we've added 50% more holders in this time. So everything that happened here was in the past, and for the last 2 months, all this volume here has reestablished a new baseline here. So everyone for 2 months is in here. All these people that are still holding have been the ones that are selling. The total volume that we did in this 2 months is more than like a year plus. So it's like we could have absorbed all the selling for over a year's worth of buying in just this 2 months. Okay? So now, again, this candle down is important. This candle down is important. Notice how we're still above it though. This candle down. Because again, it did the same thing here. It came down, retouched, and then took off. Then the volume, which I keep saying, don't be surprised when the volume's 10 times what it is now. 1.5 billion, 30 million. Almost identical. Except this consolidated longer than this. Get ready. Because when we do break this and the volume starts to spike like this, it's going to 1 billion and beyond.